So right now we have configured our agent, and through the UI we are able to invoke it, and if we pass it a prompt something like this, it is able to give us some recommended book. Now here you will see that it is just giving the book title, but genre and all it is not giving. In that case, you can go back to your prompt template and ask it that you always send back the book name, book title, genre, and the language as well. But that is fine, we can check that later as well. Now the main point is this is a headless agent, which means that we are going to invoke it through the API. So which means that someone has to make call out into this org using the REST API. So for that we need to create a connected app. And also if you go to the connection tab, so this agent, usually we create omni-channel flows, right, which defines how this agent is going to come onto the UI. But if you see here, we also have this connections option here, and this is what we are going to use now to make this available as a API agent, or make it available on the agent API. So agent API is something that we are going to use it, but for this agent to be available into that agent API, we need to create a connection here, which simply means that create a connected app, and through that connected app only this agent will be invoked. So if I click on this add button here, it will say that connection type is API, right? And it is saying that it needs a connected app. So let's just create that. So for that you can click on this new connected app, and it should take you to the app manager. Recently Salesforce has stopped creating the connected app from here. You can create the external client app, but for this one I just want to create a connected app, and that you can do from the external. So if you go to the external client app settings, here you still have the option to create the connected app. So you see that you need to make this checkbox true. I have made that. I had already made that, allow creation of connected app. So if you make it true, from here you can still create the connected app. So I'm just going to create a new connected app, and we are going to say that headless agent app. I can give some contact email here, and we need to enable the auth setting. The callback URL you can give anything, because we are going to use the client credential flow. So I can say that https www.login.salesforce.com. That should be fine. And here in the auth scope, we need some of the auth scopes. Make sure that you're adding that. We need this chatbot API, this is needed, and then we also need this Salesforce API platform, this is also needed, and then we need this manage user data via API, and finally we needed the refresh token. So these are the 4 scopes you should give in the connected app. And then you can actually remove all of this. What we need is we need this enable client credential flow, and we also need it, and we also need this issue JSON web token. So these are the two checkboxes you should check here, and that should be it. We can click on save. Now let's go to the manage. Since it's a client credential app, it should run as a user, right? So it should run as a user, that we need to define in the policies. And here we can say in the client credential flow, we can say that it will run as a user. So let me choose, obviously you should choose an user which does not have lot of access. It should only have the API access. It's not a real user, but but this is just a developer org, so I can use my user. But again, make sure that this is really important, because once you have the token, you can make a lot of changes to this org. So you make sure that you're giving a user with the bare minimum access, just the API access, nothing more than that. And with that, let's just click on save. So if we go back to app manager now, we need the client ID and client secret. So this is the one headless agent app that I just created. So click here and click on view, and click on manage consumer detail. So now it will send a OTP to my email address, which I need to get the client ID and client secret. So this is my verification code, and now I will get access to my client ID and secret. Make sure that you're storing it at a secure location. So let's just copy this. This would be needed, and this is my consumer secret, and I can close this. So So this is the connected app that we have created, and I have actually taken the client ID and client secret. So the next step is we need to connect this headless agent app connected app to our agent. So that now we can do that. I can say that headless app, anything you can give here, and here you need to search for it, and here it is. Now it is coming up. So you have to create a connected app, and then you can connect that to your agent. And once you do that, and then you will see that in the connections we have this headless agent app, which is our connected app. Anyone who has the details of that connected app will be able to invoke this agent after getting the token. So that's it for this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture where we are going to test this from the postman. First of all, I mean, we have to create the Apex class in the other org to make call out to this org. But before that, we will test this in the postman to see that if we are getting the response or not, and how to send the request to get this response from the agent. Let's meet in the next lecture.